Hey guys, how to buy USDC crypto on Kraken. So sign in with your credentials and move to trade at the bottom right. And you're gonna see a pop-up window, buy, sell, perps, convert. You're gonna buy crypto with cash. And select USDC. Right? Then what you're gonna do, enter the amount, let's say $20. Select the payment method. If you have cash on the side, choose US dollar, or if you want to use your Apple Pay, just go ahead and use Apple Pay. Continue. And now, once you hit confirm, now you bought, or now the cash will be added as a USDC coin on crypto, or on Kraken, excuse me. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.